The 51st lecture of the University of Nairobi by Professor Peter Wasamba was held on the 29th of March to discuss the theme, "We are not mentally ill."
It is more of a stereotype that is popularized and targeting a certain genre or a certain section of profession.
Deconstructing the mad Genius Trope in the literature sought to highlight the extrinsic and unconventional nature of literature and art. As the literature world continues to count losses of talented writers and philosophers, suicidal causes have persuaded the public opinion on bipolar disorder and mental illness among writers.
We lost many artists because society did not really focus on the special circumstances of artists. It was like artists are like that.
During his inaugural lecture, Professor Wasamba therefore sought to contradict the long-term public perception on writers concerning mental disorders, noting that isolation leads to creativity.
If that is the madness we talk about, then all of us are mad. But if it is madness of abandoning artists to suffer and die, then that one is not madness that we are talking about.
Suffering was identified as part of any form of genius, regardless of occupation. Professor Wasamba noted the importance of the University of Life. He advocated for graduates to engage in experiential learning outside the confines of traditional academia, citing that this approach will facilitate a smoother transition into the complicities of life, better preparing individuals for the challenges they may face in their personal and professional journeys. However, it is undeniable that literature continues to be an embodiment of hope in humanizing situations.
In literature, we deal with psychological issues. As we create characters, we give them qualities that allow us to get into their heads and engineer their behavior such that they become real.
The inaugural lecture not only enriched the integral fabric of the university, but also inspired the future generation of scholars.
Professor, continue to mentor, continue to work, and hopefully if there's an opportunity for a second inaugural lecture, we are more than open.
Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Omondi Marceline.
UNC TV, empowering you.